of the wolf and the 7 little kids.
Once upon a time, there was a mother goat who had 7 little kids. One day, she wanted to go into the forest to get some food. So she said,
I'm going to the forest to get some food. Beware of the big bad wolf. I know me it will eat you. I've got a black boy and a black pig. Don't open the doors, okay? Okay, mother. Don't worry, dear mother. We cannot open the door.
So the mother goat went into the forest and left the kid at home. A little later, was a knock at the door.
Knock, knock, knock. Open the door, dear children. It's your mother. And I brought something delicious for each one of you. No, no, no. You will not open the door. You are not our mother. See us. A sweet voice, and your voice is rough. You are the big bad wolf. Away, away, wolf. What can I do? Tell me soon. Ah, yes, I do.
The wolf left the house and went to the shop to buy some chocolate to make his voice sweet.
"Hello, wolf. Can I help you?"
Yes, a bucket of chocolate, please.
"Well, chalk or colored chalk?"
Well, George, I'm hard. I'm hard.
"Here." The wolf ate some chalk and tested his voice.
Open the door, dear children. No, not quite that. Open the door, dear children. That's better, but a little. Open the door, dear children.
The wolf went back to the house of the little
Not, not. Open the door, dear children. It's your mother. Something delicious for each one of you. It sounds like our mother. Can see Blackfeet is a big bad wolf. No, no, no. We will not open the door. You are not our mother. See us, a black cat, a white feet, and your feet are black. You are a big bad wolf. Away, away, wolfie. What can I do? Let me see. I guess I'm.
The wolf was very angry. He left the house and went to the baker's to get some flour to make his feet white.
I don't know. Make delicious cake or no. I know delicious little cake.
Sorry, what did you say?
A bucket of flour, please.
Grandma.
Some white flour here, some white flour there, and now with the cake I'm ready to eat.
The wolf ran back to the house of the 7 little kids.
It sounds like our mother. Let us see your feet. Yes, your feet are white like our mother. We will open the door.
And the 7 kids opened the door and showed the wolf. They were
home and started looking for the kid.
Jeff, are you seen anything?
No, not here.
Then we look under the chair. Well, I wish I could get it. Well, have you seen anything here?
No, not here.
Then we look in the car. Well, then what, have you seen anything?
No, not here.
Then we look under the bed. Well, have you seen anything?
No, not here.
Then we look behind the leg. Well, I wish I could get one. Have you seen anything?
No, not here.
Then we look under the car. Well, I wish I could get one. Well, have you seen anything?
No, not
Then we look under the bed. Well, I wish I could get one. Well, have you seen anything?
not here.
Then we look under the bed. No, not here. Then we look on top of it. No, not here. Oh, I'm going to sleep. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep on the bed and sleep.
The wolf left the house and went to sleep under the big oak tree. Not long after, Mother Goat came home.
Knock, knock, knock. Open the door, yes, children. Is your mother, and I got something delicious for each one of you. Children, run. The kid.
Bad wolf ate the little kid.
Oh, my little kid.
No, Mother, I'm here. The big bad wolf have eaten all my brothers and sisters, and now while I sleep under the big oak tree.
We can see that and Mira and
Mother Goat and the little kid went to find the wolf. The wolf was asleep.
cat, little kid, number 1. Cat, little kid, number 2. Cat, little kid, number 3. Cat, little kid, number 4. Cat, little kid, number 5. Cat, little kid, number 6. And now we are going to Hades.
The goat all hid behind the tree. Then the wolf got up. They were very thirsty and went to the river to drink some water.
Oh, I don't do that. I'm tired. I'm going to the river to need some water. Look. Wow.
But the heavy stones made him fall into the river, and the big bad wolf roared. They got up very happy and started singing and dancing.